So when you originally pass the exam, you're just entering the industry, you really are sitting at the base. Whether you go base salary, commission only is irrelevant. I would always recommend come back and reassess your value, appraise yourself, use those resources to see where you're at. And do that, I would say, at least annually, minimum, at least annually. Just double check and appraise yourself. Upon those annual reviews, make sure that you are walking in prepared to negotiate. Most of the time, people are just not willing to just freely bonus you or freely increase your commission. So, what I would say is, Mr. Mrs. Agency owner, I super appreciate being here. I love how much growth I've had here. And my numbers reflect that. Pull out your numbers, pull out your spreadsheets, grab your sales tracker, and show them your growth. If you need to jump in to an Excel or make a chart or a graph just to show your growth, do so. But make sure that you're tracking it as well. So that way, when it is time for your review, you can bring that in. If you have gotten Google reviews along the way, make sure you have screenshots of those. You want to use those too. So anything to be able to negotiate your annual review. So bringing up commission is huge. If you can get another couple of bucks an hour, if you're salary, get it, grab it. It all adds up at the end of the day. You are a commodity, 100%. Not everybody can pass that exam. And even if they do, here's the percentage, 90% of new agents fail in the first 3 years. 90%. Now,
Oh,
it's huge. I personally believe it's because 90% of old agents don't want to teach anymore. And that's just my opinion. Um, but seeing that people work so hard to pass the exam just to turn around and leave the industry because they're not being paid correctly, they're not being appreciated sometimes. Sometimes you'll get an agent's office that hires you on and they'll say, give me all your leads, bring me a list of 100 people. I know some of us have heard that before. You bring your list of 100 people, you run out of contacts within the first 90 days, and they send you packing. So I've seen that too. We actually have sales courses to help prevent those things from happening. And if you need a one-on-one, don't be shy. Just shoot me an email and we can certainly go through it. I have had a couple of different students that were facing the end of the line if they didn't get their sales up. So we swooped in for the superhero of indemnification quick save.
what is your email address?
Email Mary at theinsurancesalesqueen.com. Yeah.